Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now if you are a regular viewer to this channel, you will know that earlier on this year I took delivery of my Festool Kapex KS-60, and to say I love it is probably the understatement of the year. Now the only thing I do think that kind of let it down a little bit, as with most even premium tools really, is the stock blade. It cuts and rips absolutely fine, but I'm actually after something that gives a little bit of a finer finish. So when I've done a little bit of a posting on a Facebook group that I joined recently asking about Mitre saw blades, the overwhelming favourite that came back is this brand here. Alright, and I decided to go for the 60 tooth blade just to give it that nice little finer cut. So I go to the instruction manual on changing the blade, and of course you have to hold the lock button in place while you loosen something else with an Allen key, which obviously requires two hands to do. So I had to come up with something, and I have figured out a method. Now this is not the Festool way, but I can guarantee you it is safe. So if you decide to try my way, it is a safe way to do it. But what you're going to need are two clamps, quick release clamps, a piece of scrap wood, and either the Allen key that comes with it, or in the case I prefer to use these, which is 6mm hex key, gives me a little bit more leverage, and also a glove for a bit of extra safety. Alright, I'm going to show you my quick method and I'll see you at the end. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one-handed woodworking tips video today. It's not necessarily obviously just for someone with one functioning hand. You might find a technique like this a little bit easier if you're suffering with something like maybe arthritis or restricted mobility. Okay, as ever everyone, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much.